Hi there, I'm Kim, the founder of Cadence. In this video, I will show you how to create a web feed with just Google Sheets and Napkin to power an SAT Word of the Day email. So the first step is to start with a Google Sheet. You're going to want to create one row per day with the date and any relevant details for your series. In my case, I have the date, the word, part of speech, definition, and example sentence. This is all stuff I want to be able to show in my email. So the next step is to publish this sheet as a CSV. So I go to File, Share, Publish to Web, and then I'm just going to select the relevant sheet and select CSV here. Now I get the URL that the CSV is. Now the next step is going to Napkin. So I've already created a Napkin function that takes a Google Sheets URL, fetches that CSV, parses it, and then finds the relevant record for today, and then just responds with that. I'm going to include the link in the details so you can clone this and try it yourself. But once you have your function all set up and you've updated your Google Sheets URL in the environment variables over here, you would just come in and paste in the CSV link we got from before, and then you hit deploy. So now I can just copy this URL and I open a new tab and I confirm that my API looks right. So I can see this returns some JSON with an object with one key called data, and then the relevant data for today's word. So it's September 23rd, and today's word is besmirch, and I'm seeing all of the details here. And that's it. That's a Google Sheet turned into a web feed that you can then use in Klaviyo. I'm going to include all the links in the description with more information so you can try it yourself. In future videos, I'll show you how to connect this web feed to a Klaviyo template and then set that to repeat daily with Cadence.